If you have other interesting things, save them for tomorrow because we have 6 more class periods after today and we're going to need more interesting things. So, final exam. Here's what I think I'm going to do. So I don't want to give you a percentage. I'm going to say maybe 50 to 60% will be on chapter 5. Not committing to that. I won't know that until I start to write it, but that's my best guess at this point in time. What I'm going to do for the rest of it, and you can tell me if this sounds reasonable, this is my initial thinking about this right now, is give you the specific list of things or topics that you need to know how to do. For example, off the top of my head, I haven't made myself a list yet. You have to know how to solve a differential equation using Laplace transforms, okay? So that's a specific, I'm promising, I will put a problem on there where you have to solve it using Laplace transforms. And probably what I'll do is put 2 problems and let you pick between them. That would be my guess on each of these topics, but that one I'm not committing to yet. So for example, you have to be able to solve a problem with a mass moving back and forth with undamped forced motion. I don't know, something like that. I'm making this up. But I'm envisioning probably 3, 4 topics that are very specific that cover the rest of the stuff from chapters 1, 2, maybe 3, and 4. We'll see about maybe 3. Does that sound reasonable? Does that help to decrease your stress level at least a little bit? Does that sound reasonable? Does that question? It's still an initial planning, maybe. So yes, probably yes. Give me some feedback on that. People are nodding at me. That's helpful. Okay. I will try to flesh it out a little bit more. And my goal will be to have that for you by next week, Wednesday at the latest, so that it is a week before the final exam. Hopefully earlier. We'll try for earlier, but I'll say next week, Wednesday at the latest. So let's tentatively plan on that for the final exam. And then this again, I said yesterday, let's plan for an hour to an hour and 15 minutes of actual test taking. And that'll give you, my guess would be, I'll probably write it out of 150 points. Usually a test is out of 100, so I'll probably write it out of 150. And then it's whatever percentage I said, which is, yeah, I'd have to go back and look at the revised syllabus. Sorry, not sure. I was going to say whatever percentage you picked, and you guys don't have flexible grading in this class. So whatever percentage I picked, and I don't remember what that is right now. Questions on that? As long as that sounds reasonable, we're good to go, I think. Okay, homework questions. My book is somewhere. Oh, there it is. Anything for homework questions? Again, homework is due. We're going to finish up the stuff that homework is on today. So then homework is due on Friday. Tell me that sounds right. Homework is due this Friday. Good. Okay. Anything for homework questions? 5.1, 5.2, 5.3. As I choke on my water, sorry. No, we're good on homework. Okay, then I could talk for a little while about what we've been doing in this section up to this point, but I would rather get you talking. So I'm gonna put you into breakout rooms, maybe 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Talk about where we are at this point in this section. What's the problem that we're trying to solve? What does the solution look like? What appears by magic? We had a list of 4 things we were trying to do yesterday. Just kind of, this is the turn to your neighbor. And actually, maybe I'll do it. I'll put you in your homework groups so that you know who you're talking to. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll do manually. This is going to take me just a minute. We'll put you in with your homework groups, and there we go. And you can talk about what we've been doing in this section so far. Okay, it's faster to do randomly as opposed to manually. Okay, room should be open. You should be able to go ahead and grab that.